In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix connection to server timed out error or the unable to connect to EA servers error in Apex Legends. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So the first step is to right click on the Origin launcher on your desktop. So just right click on it and open the properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and make sure that the run this program as an administrator box is checked. So you want to check this, and once you check it, just click on apply and click on OK. And now do the same thing for the Apex Legends logo or icon on your desktop. So right click on it, click on properties, go to the compatibility tab and make sure that the run this program as an administrator box is checked. Click on apply and click on OK. The second step is to click on the search bar, type CMD, right click on the command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. And now what you want to do is type ipconfig space / flush DNS and click on enter. And the second thing what you want to type is net sh int ip reset and click on enter again. Once you're done, you can close the command prompt. The third step is to right click on the Wi-Fi logo in the bottom right corner. Click on open network and internet settings. Click on change adapter options. Right click on Wi-Fi and open the properties. Once you open them, what you want to do is click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Okay, and now it should be like this for you. What you want to do is check the use the following DNS server addresses, and once you check it, just type 8888 in the preferred DNS server and 8844 in the alternate DNS server. This is the Google DNS server, so this should help. And click on OK. And you can now close the Wi-Fi properties, the network connections, and the settings. And the last step, or the fourth step, is to right click on Apex Legends on your desktop, open the properties, go to the security tab, and now choose the user that you are using at the moment. And what you want to do now is click on edit, choose the user again, and make sure that you click on full control allow, because you want your user to have full control over your PC. Once you do that, click on apply and click on OK. Click on OK again, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video if it helped, and bye.